Hi everyone, I hope you are doing good. My name is Alam and in this video I am going to show you how to transfer data from phone to computer and computer to phone without using any data cable, or you can say how to transfer data wirelessly between phone to computer. If you want to transfer any of your photos, videos and documents from phone to computer and computer to phone with high speed, you don't need to use data cable for that. You can transfer your large file very easily with high speed using your Wi-Fi or phone hotspot. And this is very easy and free method. So if you want to know how to do it, make sure you watch this whole video. And if you are new on my channel, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. So guys, let's learn something new today. So the very first thing you have to do is you have to open Play Store in your phone. Then you have to install this application Wi-Fi FTP server. FTP means File Transfer Protocol. It is a protocol in which you can transfer your data through Wi-Fi, right? Once you have installed this application, just open it and you will see this kind of interface. At the top of this page, you will find Wi-Fi status, IP address and network. And below this, you will find two buttons, Start and Get Pro version. You don't need to click on Get Pro version because we have to use free version. So just click on Start button and this application list will open. In this list you have to find this application Wi-Fi FTP server and just enable it and then go back to home page. Now you will see many options here like server URL, user ID and password. If you want to change your user ID and password, you can easily do that. For that you have to click on this setting icon and this settings page will open. On this page you can see many settings here like user ID and password. From here you can change your user ID and password, right? Now you have to connect your phone and computer with your Wi-Fi. But keep one thing in your mind that your phone and computer should be connected to the same Wi-Fi. Or you can connect your computer using your phone hotspot in which phone you have installed this application, right? Once you have connected your phone and computer with Wi-Fi, then you have to open this PC and then right click in this blank area and you will find one option here, add a network location, or if you click on this three dot, then here also you can find the same option, add a network location. Click on it and this interface will open. On this page simply you have to click on next, then select this option, choose a custom network location, then again click on next and this interface will open. Specify the location of your website, internet or network address. In this box you have to type server URL which is given on your application home page. So let me type, it is ftp://192.168.193:221. Once you have typed server URL here, then click on next button and this interface will open. On this page you have to uncheck this option, then you have to type your username in this box. My username is Android on this application. You have to type your username, then simply click on next button, then this interface will open. In this box type a name for network location, means you have to give your drive name, right? So I will give my phone, right? You can give any name. Then click on next button and you have successfully created this network location. That means you have successfully created your drive, right? Then simply you have to click on finish button. Then you will get this pop-up window, username, and it is asking for password. Here you have to type your password. My password is Android on this application. You have to type your password, then simply click on save password and then click on logon. And then your phone drive will open. Let me click on this PC and you can see my phone. This is my phone drive. If I click on my phone, you can see all folders of my phone. And then let me click on DCIM. Then I will open camera folder. And now I will show you how to transfer data from phone to computer. So let me copy these three files and then I will copy here from here. And then I will paste it to desktop. Right, as you can see, I have successfully pasted all these three files on my computer desktop. Similarly, if you want to transfer files from computer to phone, then the same, you have to copy those files from your computer and then you have to paste to your phone folder, right? As you can see, I have successfully pasted all those 3 files in my phone. So this is how you can transfer your any data from phone to computer and computer to phone without using any data cable. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Have a nice day.